Alright, so today is December 20th, and it's in the middle of the winter time. Tomorrow I'll be doing something that's pretty bold and adventurous. I'll be riding my bike from Memphis down to Florida. I know not a lot of people are riding at this time, but I feel like it's just something I need to do. I'll plan for it, and it's about an 8-hour ride down there. So hope you guys just come along for the ride. I hope that you are inspired and motivated by watching this to do something you really love and not letting anything hold you back from just having fun and enjoying life. So come along for the ride, y'all. It's gonna be good. Let's go.
I dare you dig a little deeper. It makes you feel a little stronger. Who knows what you may find? You'll see it in your own time. It might just take a little longer. It all goes by so slowly. Ooh, you waited your whole life. Your days turn into nights. Now let the river flow deep into the ocean. All the time you are moving with emotion. Let the river flow. Can you hear it whisper? It goes by so slow, like a solitary drifter. How dare you run a little faster? One step, you are on your way now. Embrace all your weakness. Therein lies the secret. The water's never gonna drain out. It all goes by so slowly. Ooh, you waited your whole life. Your days turn into nights. Now let the river flow deep into the ocean.
I'm just outside of Montgomery, Alabama. I'm about 3 hours away from Florida. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it is raining right now. Two things that you really need for, I would say, for a winter trip like this: make sure you have some heated gear, and make sure you have podcasts, because you will get bored. The first 100 miles into the trip, I didn't have on my heated gear. I just wanted to wait until I got cold, I guess. And then once I got cold, I turned on my heated gear, and it felt like I was inside a heater. It felt so good. I got heated gloves, heated socks, heated vest. It's pretty much head to toe. I have heated gear, so the cold is not affecting me at all. It's just a little raining. Yeah, it's just an update. I'm about 3 hours outside of Florida. Update you guys when I actually get there.
an endless fight. We both know we're too close to the sun, and it hits me with surprise, and I can't believe my eyes. The sky was falling, why you make it so hard? The air was shaking and I was falling apart, and it cuts me like a knife, but it brings me back to life. Oh, I keep breaking while you keep making it hard. So and I can't believe my eyes. Oh, it cuts me like a knife, but it brings me back to life. Oh, I keep breaking while you keep making it hard. So
ground. It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000
I just want to let you guys know, when you put in avoid freeways on your phone, don't forget to put in avoid unpaved roads as well. I put in avoid freeways to enjoy some backcountry road, but I ended up in the middle of nowhere on this gravel road. It was just dirt and gravel for about 30 minutes straight. I just didn't see an end to it. So, lesson learned for today, always put in avoid unpaved roads.
It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Alright guys, so I made it back to Memphis in one piece. I got really low on gas the last 30 miles. I said I was just gonna tough it out, so I actually had to end up using my little bit of spare gas that I had. Yeah, but I made it safe. I want to say thank God. It was a good trip. Peace out.